Hello and welcome to today's video on the key concepts in material chemistry. In this video, we'll be exploring the fundamental principles and applications of material chemistry, a fascinating and rapidly evolving field that has revolutionized various industries and technologies. So, let's get started. Material chemistry is the branch of chemistry that focuses on the study of the synthesis, structure, and properties of materials. It involves the investigation of how materials are composed at the atomic and molecular levels, as well as the development of new materials with specific properties and functionalities. The knowledge gained from material chemistry has led to the development of innovative materials used in fields such as electronics, energy, medicine, and environmental sustainability. One of the key concepts in material chemistry is the relationship between structure and properties. By understanding how materials are structured at the atomic or molecular level, scientists can predict and control their properties. For example, the arrangement of atoms in a material affects its electrical conductivity, mechanical strength, and thermal stability. By manipulating the structure, scientists can tailor materials to have specific properties, such as superconductivity or high strength-to-weight ratios. Another important concept in material chemistry is the study of material synthesis and processing. Scientists use various techniques to synthesize materials with desired properties. These techniques can involve the mixing of different elements or compounds at specific conditions, such as high temperatures or pressures. Additionally, processing methods, such as heat treatment or coating, can further modify the properties of the materials. Understanding these synthesis and processing techniques is crucial for designing and producing materials with precise characteristics. Material chemistry also encompasses the investigation of material behavior under different conditions. For instance, scientists study how materials respond to changes in temperature, pressure, or light exposure. This knowledge helps in understanding how materials perform in real-world applications. By studying material behavior, scientists can optimize material performance, improve durability, and ensure the safety and reliability of materials used in various industries. In summary, material chemistry is a multidisciplinary field that combines principles from chemistry, physics, and engineering to understand and develop new materials. Understanding the relationship between structure and properties, mastering material synthesis and processing techniques, and studying material behavior are essential aspects of this field. The discoveries and advancements in material chemistry continue to shape our world, leading to the development of new technologies, improving existing systems, and addressing societal challenges. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the key concepts in material chemistry. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please feel free to leave a comment below.